Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? How is your study? I think you are keeping well. Okay, dear students, I write a sentence on the board. Have a look. He is working there. So he is a subject we know, and this is pronoun. Is an auxiliary verb or helping verb. And work is a main verb, and we add ing with that. And there is an adverb. So today I'm going to start about details of verb and about the classification of verbs. So let's move. Verb. We know what is verb. Verb means action, we know. And this verb has been classified in two ways. Number one, finite verb, and then infinitive verb. What is finite verb? Finite verb that is such a verb that changes according to subject, according to number, according to tense. That is, he teaches English. We add es at the end of the verb because of third person singular number. On the other hand, infinite or non-finite verb, it doesn't change. It is not limited. It doesn't change because of number, person, and tense. Say for example, he began to run. If I am talking about run, began to run, it doesn't change. If I say Rana began to run, if I say I began to run, that will remain same. So that is infinite verb or non-finite verb. And then finite verb is two types. There are two types of finite verbs. That is auxiliary verb or helping verb, and then principal verb or main verb. And what is auxiliary verb? We know in last classes we talk about it. And principal verb. And these principal verbs actually the verbs other than auxiliary verbs, all verbs are principal. I mean auxiliary verb ছাড়া যত verb আছে সব verbই হচ্ছে principal verb. And a principal verb আবার দুই ভাগে বিভক্ত. Number one, transitive verb and then intransitive verb. Transitive হচ্ছে এটাকে বলি with object, the verb that takes object to complete its meaning. মানে হচ্ছে he drinks tea. আমি যদি শুধু বলি he drinks, তাহলে বাক্যটা পূর্ণাঙ্গ হচ্ছে না. I need আমার আরেকটা কিছু লাগবে. I need an object. That is why I said he drinks tea. He drinks coffee. That is transitive verb. And then intransitive verb. Intransitive verb without object. যে অবজেক্ট ছাড়াতে সে তার মানে অর্থ পূর্ণ করতে পারে. For example, bird flies. Birds fly. That is enough. That is intransitive. Now, and there is infinite. Infinite verb has been divided into three ways, three categories. Number one is gerund. And what is gerund? Gerund, verb plus ing. That is called gerund. And then infinitive. Infinitive, we have to add to before the verb. যেমন আমরা বলতে পারি to run, এই অংশটা এখানে ইনফিনিটিভ অবস্থায় আছে. And then participle. Participle হচ্ছে এমন অংশ যেটা এমন verb যেটা একই সাথে verb এবং adjective কাজ করে. verb এবং adjective তোমরা এই জায়গাতে কনফিউজ হতে পারো যে জিরান্ডও দেখতে পাচ্ছি verb plus ing. আবার আমরা যখন পার্টিসিপল বলবো, পার্টিসিপল তিন ভাগে বিভক্ত: প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল, পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল এন্ড পারফেক্ট পার্টিসিপল। তো প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল কোনটাকে বলবো আমরা? প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল হবে ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি যুক্ত করলে সেটাকে বলে আমরা প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল। এন্ড পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল, দ্যাট ইজ পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল, উই নো দিস, ভার্বের থার্ড ফর্ম অফ দ্য ভার্ব, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল, পিপি। এন্ড দেন পারফেক্ট পার্টিসিপল, দ্যাট ইজ হেভিং আসবে তারপরে আবার ভার্বের পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল লাগবে। এটা হচ্ছে পার্টিসিপল। You may be confused with gerund and participle. You have to clear about it that gerund works as a verb and noun at the same time, whereas participle works as a verb and an adjective at the same time. So try to be clear about verbs, and I think this chart will help you a lot. Dear students, there is a sentence for you. Rana is a very good boy. So what is Rana? Rana is a subject and this is noun, we know this. And is a verb. A is an article, we know this. And very, good. Good is an adjective and very is an adverb. And boy is a noun. এই boy শব্দটাকে এই দুটো শব্দ মডিফাই করছে। I mean, Rana is a very good boy. If I say Rana is a good boy, that's good. Good is an adjective. But whenever I say Rana is a very good boy, very modifies the adjective good. So we are going to know about adjective. What is adjective? We know adjective is a qualifying word or modifying word. We know adjective এমন হচ্ছে adjective হচ্ছে এমন যে শব্দগুচ্ছ যারা অন্য একটা নাউনকে বা প্রনাউনকে মডিফাই করে, দ্যাট ইজ, এবং এই অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ইন এ ওয়ার্ড, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ইজ এ modifying word, simply you can say. And this adjective has been classified in 4 ways. Number 1, quality of adjective. What is that? Indicates quality. Dush, gun hote pare, good, bad. This is adjective of quality. And then adjective of quantity. Quantity we know that পরিমাণ বোঝাবে, যেমন some, many, few, little. This is quantity. And then adjective of number or numerical adjective, এটাকে আমরা বলি, যেটা সংখ্যা বোঝাবে, হতে পারে 1, 2, হতে পারে ফার্স্ট, সেকেন্ড, হতে পারে 1 2-fold, 3-fold. These are known as adjective, number of adjective. And we have pronominal adjective. You understand, the word has come from the pronoun. যে সমস্ত প্রনাউন অ্যাডজেক্টিভের মতো কাজ করে সেন্টেন্সে, সেটাকে বলি আমরা pronominal adjective. That is, if I say this is my pen, my is a pronoun, that is possessive form. I এর possessive form হচ্ছে my, and it sits before pen, কলমের আগে বসে বোঝাচ্ছে কার কলম, my pen. So this is pronominal adjective. And which book do you want? Book is a noun. তার পূর্বে which বসছে, তো কোন বই, which book you want, it works as an adjective. So this is the thing that you can understand what is adjective. Now you have a clue for you. Indicators. What are the ways to identify adjective? I try to give you a little idea about the identification of adjective. That is full at the end of the word. If you find full, ous, tick, able, tip, ish, anti, and ed, and so many you have. For example, cheerful, beautiful, courageous, continuous, optimistic, pessimistic, capable, unable, able, preventive, communicative, ish, bookish, absent, anti-absent, present, and ed, modified or classified. This is the indicator. Then you can easily identify what is an adjective. Dear students, let's clear about adverb. I write sentences, look at the board. Runs fast. Mohim runs fast. He is a very studious boy. Very and studious. And then another, he can walk very swiftly. Okay, let me tell you something. Mohim runs fast. It means Mohim druto dourai, run. So that is an adverb. Kemon dourai, fast, quickly. He is a very studious. Studious we know already, that is bookworm, যে বেশি পড়াশোনা করে তাকে বলি আমরা studious. তার পূর্বে আমরা যুক্ত করলাম very. So he is a very studious boy. So very here, very is an adverb and studious is an adjective. And thirdly, he can walk very swiftly. In this sentence, very and swiftly, both of the words are adverb. এই সেন্টেন্সে দুটোই adverb. যেমন আমরা বলছি যে adverb হচ্ছে এমন শব্দ যারা একটা ভার্বকে, একটা অ্যাডজেক্টিভকে অথবা আরেকটা অ্যাডভার্বকে মডিফাই করে। So that is, I think that is clear to you now. Fast, very swiftly. These are adverb. Okay, there are different types of adverb. I'd like to give you an idea about it. Adverb of time, that indicates time, today, tomorrow, daily, always, etc. Adverb of place, here, there, nowhere, etc. And adverb of manner, that it indicates ways, badly, wisely, silently, etc. And then adverb of degree, তারতম্য, মাত্রা বোঝাচ্ছে, very much, so, etc. And adverb of number, once, একবার, twice, দুইবার, seldom, কদাচিৎ, যেটা হয় না বললেই চলে, we know this. Order, that first, second, third, or firstly, secondly, thirdly. So these are the basic things about adverb. I think now you will understand better. So that is all for today. And study well, stay safe, and stay home.